Everybody's so obsessed when girls bite their bottom lip, but I'm like, bite your top lip for me, baby. You my little piranha.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You want me to let you outside for the 50th time?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Mom, do you need my help? Do you need me to do anything? Do you need me to come in here? Do you need a snack? Hey, Mom, do you need a pillow? Mom, when's the last time you ate?
Dog teaching our younger dog to ring the potty bell.
You guys ringing the bell? You ringing the bell?
Simba! Simba! Go, 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 go!
I am a cutie patootie. What? Yeah. So I just want you to know that I am a cutie patootie.
Why are you mad? Why are you mad? Tell me why you're mad. Come. Use your buttons. Tell me why you're mad.
For falling out of a tree. How the heck? Remy, how do you what? Oh, no.
What? Ew.
Right, shut. I'm gonna punch you square in the face. I hope you stay still when you sleep, because I'm putting a rat trap between your legs. I'm gonna take a pillowcase and fill it full of bars.
I am. What is it, baby? Oh.
When they want something from you, but you know when you're down, they can turn it all around. Is your dog super?
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this?
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby. Mommy.
Yes, I'm mommy. What you want?
I love you.
Come on. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you fucking did it. Oh, shit.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
Oh, wait. Jock! Leave, Jock, do it. Jock, no, stop. Jock, stop it. Stop. Stop it. Go inside. Jock, stop it. Jock.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
Jittering, hot pepperoni, macaroni, sitting out with the homies. I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear, so I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it.
Oh, sit. Can you sit? He's like, Kyoto. No. Pet check.
Solta, Lola, tem que sair. Não acredito, Lola. Lola, não acredito. Solta.
Don't be afraid, okay? Little girl.
It's planned for this year that I couldn't wear, so I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no.
Just wear lingerie and some form of
Come, bunny. It's all about the act.
Thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey.
Burger. Hey, ready?
Sit. Lay down. Good boy.
weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun.